Hi, my name is Javeria. I'm the Managing Director for a company called Hitek Services. Hitek is a part of Farnec, and I'm working with Farnec from last 12 years. We established Hitek as a technology arm within the group in 2022. Since then, I'm leading the company. Hitek is all about smart, secure and sustainable technology, which provide a holistic approach to digitalize businesses to transform from classic to smart operations. This applies to smart buildings, smart city and of course smart hospitality. Our technologies are catering the need of not only the operational department but also the supporting processes, because we believe in bridging the gap and contributing it towards effective service delivery. The challenges that hospitality industry is having nowadays is still, with all the essential technologies available, it is still having a gap where many processes are manual, including reservations and updating all the documents, the long queues on reception, communications and order placement. And this is where our specialized tool FlexiGuest, which is a 360 view of smart hospitality including property management and guest application. It digitalizes not only the journey for guests from reservations to pre-arrival check-in and check-out and everything that comes in between, which means that they can do pre-arrival check-in before they start their journey by uploading all the documents which give them a QR code. So making reservation to check-in as a smart process. And from there onwards, whether it's amenity, F&B, any concierge and valet services, all are digitalized with e-documents, e-payments and e-receipts, which support hospitality industry to not only digitalize the processes but connecting front of house and back of house with all the mobility solution to our guest orders. This makes FlexiGuest a very innovative application solution and a greater step in hospitality industry to upscale their services, which contribute towards smart Dubai and smart UAE as well. I am leading a team of more than 30 people in UAE, and we are proud to be developed and operated from UAE. All the team in Hitek, starting from senior management, consultant, integrators, developers, testers, everyone is all in Hitek. They are available in UAE, and we are having our own IT, cloud and sustainability team, which make us very promising towards our customer delivery. Lastly, I would like to make a call for action that if you like our technology and would like to know more about it, you can always contact us through emails, through phone and in person, and we will be happy to take you through our digital solution. Thank you very much.